In this video, I'll be showing you how to import chats to Claude AI. Now, say for example, you're using a previous chatbot such as ChatGPT, and you'd like to import all of the conversations that you had previously all the way to Claude. So, what you're going to do is simply open up Claude and then tap on your profile icon and select Settings. Under Settings, you're going to select the option Capabilities, and then you should see Import Memory from other AI providers. So you're going to go ahead and select Start Import. And then from here, you should see a prompt that will allow you to import now all of the information. So go ahead and copy that prompt like so. Then open up your chatbot and input the prompt into the chatbot. Now, all of this information here should now be able to be copied into this space here. So you can go ahead and just copy like so, and then paste it. Then once you've done that, you can then go ahead and select Add to Memory and wait for all of your files to be successfully transferred. From here, Claude AI now has all of those files as a memory bank for any future chats that you'd like to use Claude for. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.